Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. My name is Prasanna and this video is about our return journey from Kardungla to Delhi. If you're new to my channel, do check out my Ladakh episodes and hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get instant notifications on all of my adventure bike rides. The place you're seeing is the second highest pass of the world and it is en route Manali from Leh. Our journey from Leh to Manali was 10 times more harder than the onward journey. It took us 3 days to cover 500 kilometers. And this place is where we stayed during the first day. We did not have anything for 3 days. No roads, no signals, no electricity, no food, nothing guys. This is the road between Leh and Manali. You can see a lot of water crossings. This water crossing took us 2 hours to cross. And this was our second day. Look at the force of the water guys, and they call this the road. Although it was a very good riding experience, it was very tiring. We again crossed so many number of mountains. We had nothing else to eat other than Maggie. But all these difficulties vanished when I came here guys. Just see, doesn't it look like a heaven? The temperature was less than 0 and I was freezing. The place we stayed for the second day was so damn cold that we needed this fire setup. The third day arrived and again there was 2 hours of delay because of this. The path where the water is running is our road guys, and a car was stuck there. So all of us were stuck. And then we reached Rohtang Pass. It was very close to Manali. We could see some green mountains after so long. Last green mountains we saw was in Srinagar. There was heavy traffic at Rohtang Pass since it was one of the well-known tourist attractions in Manali. See the cars lined up. We stood here for almost an hour. And then we started riding towards Manali. Look at the cloud guys. So damn beautiful. As I was riding between Rohtang Pass and Manali, I started to feel that we were almost close to the end of the journey. The route was covered by so much of clouds that we stopped for some photos. We really didn't know when we were going to see such places again. It was a mixed feeling guys. We then descended the Rohtang Pass to reach Manali. We were very exhausted during the journey between Leh and Manali that we could not film any videos. So I decided to share my return experience in a single video with the pictures and videos taken on my mobile. So if the quality is not that great, please don't mind, I'm sorry about it. After reaching Manali, we just rested for a night at this beautiful resort and started to Delhi the next day, and somehow we managed to catch our train. Hope you all enjoyed the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon guys. There are a lot of interesting bike rides coming up. See you in the next video.